How to see QC on Pandabuy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can see QC on the Pandabuy website. Now, I know you might be wondering what QC means. QC means quality control. Okay, yes, quality control. So to ensure the quality of products you purchase on Pandabuy, just follow the steps that I'll be listing out to you in this tutorial. So the first thing to do is to choose the product you wish to buy on Pandabuy. Once you choose the product, ensure you carefully review its specifications, descriptions, and images. Okay, so now let's go ahead and select a product. So, products under school, we have a list of products under the category of school. Yeah. So, school, we have school bags, reading table. Let's just pick this school bag. And then once you've chosen the bag or whichever products you want to purchase, you can just go ahead and carefully review the specifications, descriptions, and images. And these are the images available, and then you can just ensure that you check the specifications. So there are different types here. You can go ahead to check. Then you can increase the quantity you want. Check the shipping fee. Majorly the images to inspect to see. For you to inspect, you just place your cursor on the image this way, then you'll be able to see how it looks like carefully. And once you're sure of this image, then you can go ahead and check the seller reviews. The seller reviews. Look for reviews and ratings for the seller of the product. Positive reviews can indicate good quality and reliable service. For you to check the reviews, just scroll down on the products page, and then when you scroll down, you'll see product details, reviews, specification parameters. Just go ahead and click on reviews. So currently the reviews for this product is empty, so it's left to you if you would want to take the risks and get it. But for other products, definitely you would see reviews here for products that have been purchased more often and people give reviews on them. So you can just check the reviews to be sure if you want to get it, and then you can go ahead and contact the seller about the product quality, about the materials, and any other concern you have. Then finally, you can ask the seller about their quality control procedures and whether they can provide more detailed information. Then furthermore, you can check the return and refund policy. This is if when you get the product eventually it doesn't meet up to your qualifications. So this is how you can see or check out quality control, also known as QC, on the Pandabuy application or Pandabuy website. Thanks for watching this tutorial.